This is a 1-minute, step-by-step guide to replacing the MacBook Pro 16-inch 2023 battery. Power down, unplug the charger, and wear an anti-static wrist strap before starting. Required tools are displayed: pentalobe driver, Torx T3 and T5 drivers, nylon spudger, plastic picks. See on screen for exact torque sizes and torque values. Loosen the pentalobe screws around the bottom cover and lift the case gently to reveal the internals. Use a nylon spudger to disconnect the battery connector, lifting straight up to avoid board damage. Capture a before battery health screenshot to record capacity and serial details before removal. Gently pry under the battery tabs and apply low heat if adhesive resists, avoiding bending the cells. Lift the battery pack out in sections, avoiding punctures and keeping connectors clear of the chassis. Place the new OEM battery aligned to the screw posts and adhesive areas, ensuring a flush fit. Reconnect the battery connector, then tighten internal screws to the specified torque values shown on screen. Reinstall the bottom cover, tighten pentalobe screws evenly, then power on to verify operation. Capture the after battery health screenshot to confirm restored capacity. If unsure, seek professional service and follow safety guidelines.